Hi, we are currently in Hungry Tiger Grill and Restaurant, and we are having this beef salad. As we are going to unbox this hard case for JBL Flip 4. Okay, so here it is, the hard case for JBL Flip 4. And as you can see, it's very quick to unbox. So let's go right ahead and unpack the case. Yeah, I provide the link where we have bought this. So this thing, what they call a carbiner or carbiner. I'm not sure how it is pronounced. Now let's try to open the case. And what you can see here is that it has a compartment for your charger and cable for the JBL Flip 4, and it has a strap, flexible strap, and also a flexible strap for the JBL Flip 4 itself. Alright, so let's try to fit in the JBL Flip 4. I have the JBL Flip 4 with me along with the silicone case. So let's try to check if this Flip 4 with the silicone case fits onto this case. The strap is very tight, or very tight to put, but we might as well not use it for the meantime. And let's try to. Okay, so far so good. Now let's try to close the case. Um, hmm. Looks like. Oh, there. It still fits. I mean, you can still put in the JBL Flip 4 along with the silicone case, but as I try to close it, seems that it's very hard to put those zippers together. As you can see, I'm trying to, but if you try to zip it in, there, it zips easily. Oh, by the way, I have another case for this JBL Flip 4, and just to give you a comparison, here is the height between the two. So this one is a lot taller, but with regards to the length, wait, there. With regards to the length, this one is a bit longer compared to this other one. I'll provide the link where I have bought this box type case for the JBL Flip 4, and I might as well provide you or show you what it looks like inside of it. Okay, so the compartment for the charger and case is right over here. And in comparison with this one, I feel that this one is much durable because of the texture. I'm not sure if if you can show it, or if you can see on the video. See, it's a bit rough. It's like the JBL Flip 4 itself, the texture of the speaker. This one. However, oops, I'm sorry. However, for this box, regarding the texture of this one, it feels like I mean, the cloth is like cloth of a stocking. So if you due to friction, I think this will wear and tear easily. But if you check inside of this box, especially at the corners, It is um, s- very heavily supported, or yeah, it is supported to the point that you can even it's even hard to squeeze this in. So your JBL Flip 4 is well protected from bumps, also with heavy loads if it's inside a bag or whatever. See, well, of course, at the very surface, it is it is soft, or it's not that durable. But the corners, especially this one, it's very hard to squeeze. See, it's very hard to squeeze on this one. If so, if you prefer this one, again, that's on the link provided below of this video, and I'll also provide the link for this hard case for JBL Flip 4. So, and that's it. Yep. Oh yeah, it has also this strap for the other one. Thank you.